Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Xero for small business cashflow visibility, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Xero for small business cashflow visibility, start by creating or logging into your Xero account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings to access the various configuration options. From the Settings menu, select Organization Settings. Here, you can enter your business details, such as name and address. Next, go to the Financial Settings tab. Set your base currency to match your business operations. Once your organization settings are complete, head to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see your cash flow summary. To get a comprehensive view, click on Reports in the main menu. From the Reports menu, choose Cash Summary. Customize the date range for a more precise cash flow analysis. You may also want to set up bank feeds for automatic updates. To do this, navigate to Accounting from the main menu. Select Bank Accounts, and then click on Add Bank Account. Once connected, Xero will automatically import transactions for you. Next, go back to the dashboard to monitor your cash flow. Regularly check the cash flow statement for insights into your inflows and outflows. It's also wise to set up reminders for upcoming bills and payments. You can do this by going to the Accounts menu and selecting Bills. Ensure you have defined your payment terms for accurate cash flow projections. Finally, regularly review your cash flow reports to make informed business decisions. This will help maintain a healthy financial outlook for your small business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.